guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, like, comment, and subscribe. But as you can see in the title box below, yes, down there, I be like getting ready for boot camp, packing and stuff. So tomorrow I be like going to Walmart and getting like some supplies, cause I'm not fully packing, man. Cause I heard that they will have like everything we need included. So I'm not packing too much stuff, but I'm gonna pack some things that I need for like just that week. Then Tuesday I be getting my braces off, cause baby, they not letting you go to Melts with braces on and then ship out. Not around here. Not around here.
Not around here, partner. Not around here.
Then after that, I be getting my hair done for my TT. She gonna put some braids in my head, cause I'm not waking up 4 in the morning to do my hair every day. Not around here.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Then Wednesday, I be packing up everything, getting everything situated, ready for boot camp, cause I be leaving next week, y'all. Next week. But it is currently Sunday, January 26th, 8:32 p.m. So I will see you guys tomorrow. See ya.
I can't get it too. It's not the right time. You say the timing is perfect. You want me what's temporary.
Hey y'all, so it is. Oh, my eye itchy. It's currently the next day, 1:08 p.m. I basically just woke up like 10 minutes ago. I need to get my sleeping schedule back on time. Also, this is my new vlogging camera. I said I want to start like vlogging and stuff, making a YouTube this year. So I said, why not try it? But I got that camera off the TikTok shop, and I may record on it some more today because I recorded on it last night. So we're gonna do some more today. But also I'm finna to get in the shower, brush my teeth, wash my face, finna do my hair because y'all.
Damn!
I'm sorry I had to see that. Look at y'all once I'm finished with all that. Okay, so I'm done getting ready. So this is, I have on my little ear cuff with my pink necklace and this little bracelet. I love this little charm bracelet, you know, my little Apple Watch. And I'm wearing this plaid shirt, crop top shirt, my bad, with this little, I'm gonna just call it romper. I kind of forgot what it's called, but y'all know what it is. And I'm wearing it with these shoes. I like wearing these shoes. But I will see you guys once I get to Walmart. So okay, so you guys, we're currently at Walmart. So I may bring my camera in, but I may not, because I really don't want people staring at me. But 9 times out of 10, I'm probably gonna bring my camera in. But yeah, I'll see you guys inside.
Talking about it. I want you to decide it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me wild side, boy. I know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
Okay, so we're on our way back home. We just stopped at the gas station to get like some drinks and stuff. I'm back up on my camera because I didn't want to record in Walmart with my camera. Cause first it was the quality. It was like, I don't know. There was something wrong with it. But then there was like, I don't like when people like watch me do stuff. Cause like, why are you staring at me? But we're on our way back, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so you guys, it is 6:21 in the morning. I got a dentist appointment at 8 a.m. and it takes us like an hour and 20 something minutes to get there. The rest of this video is going to be more of just watching instead of like listening, because I won't be interacting with y'all as much. But this is the fit. I just threw on some joggers and, you know, this black turtleneck. And I'm wearing these shoes with it. But I will see you guys at the dentist.
Get it up. Come here, rude boy, boy, you should big enough. Take it, baby, baby, yeah. Take it, stop it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, baby. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want, what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Like it, boy, I want, what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, yeah, baby, yeah.
Hey you guys, it is the last day. It is 11:16 a.m. and today I will just be packing up everything and making sure I have everything. So like on either one of these sides, I'm gonna just show y'all what I put in each bag, and then at the end we're gonna put it all in here. I pray I didn't pack too much, but yeah, we just gonna see. And if we did pack too much, then I'm gonna just take some things out. But I'm gonna just make sure everything fits in here, and if it does, then that's what I'm taking. So let's get started.
I get it right back. She put it all on me. I couldn't fight that. She love when I put on it when it's time back. You know it's hard to get a body that I can sidetrack. Shake something, left, right, control it. You know who the part of your horny. Ride on it, green light me. Really don't dance, but I know that you can. Walking up your plans when you're about to get messy. She don't want business in the street. Be my little secret, baby, be my little friend. All weekend on a weekend, do something different. Got my attention. 8 figures, fucking with a rich nigga. Big picture, more than just a night with ya. Don't switch up, girl, when the lights hit ya. Them diamonds gon' dance. I know you're your you really don't dance. But I know that you can. But I know that you can.
Okay, so you guys, I'm done packing. This is what the bag looks like. I think I overpacked, but it's okay. Hopefully they won't throw my stuff away. But the only thing I would need to make sure I bring is my retainers, phone charger, and my phone. Oh, and also I bought this watch. I had set the time to 4 a.m. so hopefully it'll wake me up. I've been trying to practice on trying to hear it so I can, yeah. But anyways, I bought this watch from Walmart and I'm gonna be using it. I think it's too big, but they said make sure it's all black, so hopefully I can wear it, cause I know for sure I can't wear my Apple Watch because it's basically a phone name, but I'ma still bring this, but I'ma also make sure I have this on my wrist when I get to melts and stuff. I think that's everything, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be 4 or 5 months from now. So see you guys.